This is a GE high efficiency washing machine. Why is it next to my garbage cans? Because I don't like it. I never liked it. You know why? Well, I found out today that it's 8 years old, because I found the book when I bought it. I thought I had it for like 4, but you know how fast time goes. So it's 8 years old, and after using it for about 2 months, high efficiency, and we found out with this high efficiency washer, we had to wash the clothes sometimes 2 or 3 times to make them smell fresh, you know, because you know what high efficiency means? If there's water in there now, it always keeps a reserve of water in the bottom. That's high efficiency, so you don't use a lot of water every time. But you know what that means? It also has a supply of dirty water in it all the time. It just keeps circulating, you know. That's high efficiency. And after 2 months of having it, we contacted GE and told them about this, that the clothes don't feel fresh or smell fresh after washing them. And they told us that story. It keeps a reserve of water in there. And you should run it empty once a month or twice a month. Well, now that's not high efficiency if I'm running it empty, is it? So, after dealing with this and running it empty a couple times a month, for how many years now, it stopped draining. Yesterday it stopped draining the water and we just threw it out. I don't want to fix it. Maybe there's a sock clogged in the drain, or maybe the hose is clogged. We don't care, we don't throw it away. GE was no help. Run it empty. How's it high efficiency? Now it's hard to find one that's not high efficiency these days, but I found one. I found a Samsung. I'm gonna go look at it. In the specs it says high efficiency? No. That's what I want. Free washer for sale! Let's go to Lowe's! Oh, and I meant to say, the first washer I ever had was from my grandmother. She gave me a washer when I got my first place, and she had it probably 40 years. And I used it another 10 years. And it's probably still running in the junkyard somewhere, huh? They don't make them like they used to. Did you ever hear that before? Alright, off to Lowe's. I'm hungry too! So now I'm at Lowe's. I'm going to get a new Samsung if it's in stock, hopefully. They say they have 2. And it better be in a box. No more GE. No more high efficiency. Come on.
Did you find one?
Yeah, see, this is $4.45. It was $6.49. Not high efficiency. And of course they won't help me now. One person walked by me already. And I'm just in here or Home Depot looking around. They're all over me. When you want to buy something, they don't help you. Look. Yeah, I'll buy it. See it?
Ooh, that's nice.
See, there's 2 guys here now. They're going to help me. All right, that was pretty easy. He says he's going to bring it up in a box. You got to pay for it up front. New hoses. Always replace your hoses. Okay. Let's go get it.
I don't know if I can even see. The sun is...
Samsung. They make phones and washing machines. Send me a dryer now. Alright, let me tie it down.
I can't wait.
Ain't going nowhere, huh? What is this thing? that. They don't even come in boxes no more. Styrofoam, that's alright. I'll bust it up. Don't break my leg. Alright, I'll see you at home. Thanks for stopping by. Woo! Made it home. Just use that bar, see? Samsung. Alright, I'm going to take it off the truck and set it up and do some laundry. Okay? That was a pretty good sale. It was like $220 off or something like that, or more. Forget. Alright, so I don't know how you feel about high efficiency washers, but I don't like them. And a couple friends I know talk about them too. And most people don't notice their clothes smell musty sometimes, because the water doesn't circulate right. Alright, thanks for coming with me. That was fun. Samsung! Phone? Phone? A washing machine. What's next? A truck? Yeah. Alright, see you later. Ugh. Too old for this.